Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Tuesday the 8th of November. I hope you're finding all these reports valuable, and if you haven't already, please come sign up to the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. You get to join the Keyzone Traders community. It's completely free and you get these reports before the market happens. So if you're finding these reports valuable, let me know how you're getting on. Please come and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well to make sure you get all this information in a timely fashion. So getting on to the reports today, these were the zones of reference that we had on the FTSE. We said that the FTSE was in a corrective retracement with minor initial support at 72.58 to 72.66, with main resistance today at 73.76 to 73.86. We said 73.45 to 73.53 could provide some resistance as retracement is only corrective, but any impulsive moves to the upside, and we should focus on buys only. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE action today. Okay, so this is the action. If I just scroll out into the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is the corrective structure that I'm talking about. We've had this really strong impulsive move up here, from here all the way up to here. So really strong impulsive move. You can see it's very, very much one way. And then we've now got a corrective structure, which is very much more sideways, a little bit more choppy, two-way action, smaller bars, etc. So the price actions are much more corrective, which means that you can get a lot more choppy price action. You just have to be a little bit more careful, have to adjust your style, not trade so much trend trading strategies. So we was looking at the 3-minute on the open here. We got this strong impulsive push down, but straight away notice how we reversed. We've got the liquidity grab here below the London lows. We speak about this all the time. We actually had a reaction from the zone below and then a strong close back above, and then notice how we held the London lows again on the overnight lows again on the retest, and then the push higher. So you could have actually got long here. We actually did that this morning as well. We pushed up into this zone here at 72.84.85 now. 72.84 to 72.92 now. Because we wasn't expecting a really strong trending day, market is very corrective at the moment. We actually booked our profits here. You can see it did react, and we got to push back up. This would have been valid on a retest here. The signal's not the best for a long. We then got another retest here, but again, we hadn't quite taken out that liquidity. So again, nothing really high probability, and we started pushing up into this 73.13 to 21 zone. We didn't get up into that 45 to 53 resistance zone that we mentioned. Again, this, although this is trending, we've held the 20 moving average all the way through here. It's not a really strong trend. There are little bits of consolidation, and it's not really impulsive. So not really anything that we could do there to suggest to hold up to higher. That's not to say that we won't get up there, but it's going to take a bit of time, and we'll reassess that tomorrow. But the best trade of the day, certainly on the FTSE today, was this false break pattern here with the liquidity grab at the open at the initial support zone. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go take a look at the DAX. Okay, so with the DAX, these were the zones of reference, and we said that the DAX had held key resistance at 13,600 to 625 yesterday, so that was the key resistance zone again today. We said acceptance above there could open up moves towards 13,805 to 825 over the coming sessions. Notice that I said over the coming sessions. I didn't necessarily expect it today, but having broken a really key zone, that would be the next upside target. We said if we saw acceptance below 13,520 to 540, we could see moves initially to 485 to 500. So let's go and have a look at DAX today. Okay, so as you can see, we opened up just below this 520 to 540 zone, but when we retested it just after the open, we got the impulsive push back through and then got nice continuation pattern here to push higher. That then just had a very slow grind over the session up into that 600 to 625 zone. So that would have been a valid trade there, although having at this point we was already in the FTSE trade, so I think that was the better, the FTSE signal was the better signal. I think maybe this zone should have been a little bit lower today. But with the fact that entry there on the false break signal would have been back into that zone, that was a very, very tricky trade to take, and certainly not high probability, so not one I would have suggested. But once we got the acceptance or the action back above that zone and then the continuation of the moving averages, that definitely is okay to start looking to take. Again, key zones, I would look to the higher time frames today. Yesterday we saw a really nice reversal. Today we got nothing in that area for a reversal, and as you can see in the afternoon session today, we actually got the push higher, and then the pullback. We have got a bit of a continuation pattern here, but we hadn't had the full acceptance by that point. We then got the strong push higher, pullback, continuation here up into that zone. So you can see that ultimate target's all the way up here. Not necessarily one that we'd be looking to take today, to target today, but you certainly can start focusing on the buys to take it up into that towards that zone, managing using these minor zones to manage trades as well. So here's an opportunity there on the DAX. I think these two trades here, the one in the morning down here, and then the one this afternoon, those are the best trades on the DAX. I still think the FTSE though is probably the best trade of the day. So those are the markets. Like I say, I hope you're finding them useful. I hope they're adding value to your trading and making you profitable. Please let me know how you're getting on. I hope you're having a great start to the week, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.